Welcome to Serene Enlightenment Academy, preparing students for triumph in education, open-minded communication, and environment awareness. Our programs inform the students on the environment by using Penitencia Creek Park as our campus. Penitencia Creek Park has a variety of species living in its environment, creeks, and a natural ecosystem. This allows the students to have a peaceful educational environment by being able to explore the different habitats. In our twin buildings, we provide classrooms on both of the second floors, and on the bottom floors will be offices and a library and a student study room. On one of those floors has wireless projectors in all the shifting thinking spaces, so the teachers would have easy access and the classrooms would be more organized and safer for students to move around. We would provide a laptop for every student in our school because we believe that technology is a very important resource in education. In college, some classes will ask you to work in groups, and laptops can help students familiarize with sharing information and storing work. Students have a unique opportunity to learn off-site by having access to the Wildlife Center. A volunteer from the Wildlife Center facilitates wildlife and understanding what makes a habitat healthy. Our campus provides an area where students can collaborate, be comfortable around each other, and be close to nature. The opportunities are the same for the community around us, like parents and family members of the students. We will also allow our community to use our facilities for parties, meetings, and banquets, and etc. In addition, students can organize and direct workshops to advise community members on how to reduce our carbon footprint, how much pollution we release, and the negative impact. For example, one of San Jose's major problems is the excessive use of water. Students at Serene Enlightenment will collaborate on projects to address problems to adapt to the drought, and would also demonstrate the gray water system that is incorporated into our school grounds used to water our gardens, and how our community can install it for themselves. The gray water system will be used to filter water from the school's kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, and toilets in order to use the same water for irrigation outside. The filtered water will be used to water community gardens as well as the grass and plants in and around our school. By using a gray water system, our school can serve as an example to the community by taking direct action and providing a solution to the drought.
In order to honor our mission of environmental awareness, the construction of the school will take into account the different habitats where the park's wildlife live, so that the major ecosystems are not interrupted. Research on the park will be done to inform the engineering and design firms to build the school with the minimal impact to the park. The three structures will be built from recycled metal and recycled concrete. Windows would be made from recycled glass, and the dome will be made of photovoltaic cells. We would use solar energy for various things. For example, we would need energy for our shaded windows, projectors, audio systems, and computers. Not only will the school use natural energy, it will also use waste in order to provide additional resources to the student gardens. Students often get full, but instead of recycling the food and plastics, their food goes into the garbage. We will avoid this by using the food for compost. The compost can be used for the student garden in order to have healthier plants. In addition, it will reduce the amount of waste our school disposes, therefore helping the environment. The plastics that are recycled will be used on-site for other purposes. Materials like plastics will be melted down to create filament for 3D printers. Classrooms would be outside where students can observe an environment with animals that live next to a creek or pond. They have the opportunity to expand their imagination and thinking when it comes to creating or doing a project. Many students may feel the need to get some air outside of a regular stuffy classroom, but by having outside learning experiences, students are inspired by nature and its spaciousness. In addition, there are countless examples of geometry in the natural world. Students can learn about scale and measurements using objects in the outdoors. Students will have the balance of indoor and outdoor learning. using the state-of-the-art shiftable thinking spaces. The STS will provide movable chairs and desks, as well as detachable whiteboard panels that can be magnetically clipped together to form spaces such as triangular or pentagonal rooms for group work or presentation.
Just like the natural environment, Serene Enlightenment will adapt and grow. This will be in response to advances in alternate energy sources, starting with the solar panels as well as water systems. The school will not be the same over the years. In fact, it will be integrating new energy sources that are developed by students. Serene Enlightenment Academy will prepare students to go out into the world with skills that will enable them to problem solve for the future.